In the colorful kingdom of Nyagad, there lived two best friends, Tara, a brave and courageous girl, and Veer, a kind and clever boy. The kingdom was ruled by King Subhadra, who was known for making the rules that everyone had to follow. But there was something strange about the rules in Nyagad. Only boys could become knights and explorers, while girls were conditioned to take care of their homes, cook and clean, sew clothes, look pretty, and tend to men. This always puzzled Tara, who loved adventure more than Veer did. One day, as Tara and Veer were roaming in a nearby forest, the rain started to fall and they took shelter in an old cave. Tara noticed a mysterious book hidden behind a rock inside the cave. The cover of the book read, "The Secrets of the Kingdom." Inside the book, they discovered a long-forgotten story about Nyagada's past. Long ago, Nyagad was ruled by Queen Alka, a wise and fair ruler who believed that everyone, whether a girl or a boy, should be free to pursue their dreams. Under her reign, everyone in the kingdom was happy, and there were no limits to what anyone could achieve. Girls could become knights, and boys could take care of homes and children if they wished. But when Queen Alka passed away, her grandson, King Subhadra, changed the rules. He believed that only boys should hold important roles, while girls were meant to be pretty and quiet. As Tara read the story, she felt a mix of sadness and determination. She realized that the rules in Nyagad weren't fair at all.
Why can't I be a knight if I'm brave and strong?
She asked Veer. Veer agreed and said,
The current rules don't make any sense. Why can't I learn to cook if I want to?
The two friends decided that it was time for a change. They came up with a plan to show the kingdom that everyone should be treated equally, regardless of whether they were a boy or a girl. They called it the Great Fairness Quest. Tara and Veer gathered all the children in Nyagad and shared what they had learned from the book. They encouraged everyone to choose an activity they loved, even if it went against the kingdom's old rules. Soon, the streets of Nyagad were filled with the sounds of boys learning to cook and sew, and girls practicing sword fighting and exploring the forests. The children's excitement and passion caught the attention of the adults, who began to question the rules that had been in place for so long. Even King Subhadra couldn't ignore the changes happening in his kingdom. He watched as Tara and Veer led the children in their quest for fairness and equality. Seeing their determination, he realized that the rules he made were unfair and outdated. One sunny afternoon, King Subhadra called a gathering in the town square.
I have seen the courage and wisdom of our children. It is clear that the rules of our kingdom need to change. From this day forward, everyone in Nyagad, whether a girl or a boy, will be free to follow their dreams and choose their own path.
Hearing the king's announcement, the crowd erupted in cheers, and the kingdom of Nyagad became a place where everyone was treated with respect and kindness. Tara became the first girl knight of Nyagad, and Veer became a famous chef, known for his delicious meals. But the most important lesson that everyone in the kingdom learned was that true strength and wisdom come from treating everyone equally, regardless of who they are. And so, Nyagad flourished under the new rules, becoming a shining example of fairness and equality for all. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, give us a like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more such inspirational stories.